Today I'm showing you the easiest bread you will ever make. No yeast and no oven. Just 2 simple ingredients and you'll have fluffy flatbreads in minutes. And at the end, I have a secret bonus tip that takes them from delicious to absolutely irresistible. So make sure you don't miss it. Let's get started with the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add 300 grams of self-rising flour. Then add 350 grams of nonfat or low-fat Greek yogurt. Here's a tip. For softer and fluffier bread, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix until it comes together into a shaggy dough. Then use your hands to knead the dough briefly until smooth. Be careful not to overmix or it will become sticky again. If the dough is too dry or crumbly, add more yogurt, 1 tablespoon at a time. If it's too sticky, add a little more self-rising flour until it's easy to handle. Transfer the dough to a floured surface, shape it into a flat disc, then divide it into 8 equal portions. Lightly dust each piece with flour and roll it into a ball. Pat and flatten each dough ball with your hands. Then roll it into a 5-inch round, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Heat a nonstick skillet over medium-high heat. Cook each flatbread for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it puffs up and the bottom is brown in spots. And now here's my secret tip. Rich garlic and herb-flavored butter. Melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. This is the perfect final touch to make your bread extra tasty. Add 3 finely minced garlic cloves and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Cook until just fragrant, about 1 minute. Remove from the heat and stir in a handful of finely minced fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, or rosemary. Once the flatbreads are ready and still warm, brush them generously with the garlic mixture. Stack them and serve warm. And that's it, the easiest, soft, and fluffy 2-ingredient flatbreads you'll ever make. I hope you love this recipe. I'll leave the ingredients here so you can pause and copy them. You can also find them listed in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Ciao!